Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to do this simple sunflower abstract nail art for autumn. So I'm starting off my manicure with base coat to protect my nails from staining. Then I'm applying this yellowish beach polish on my ring fingernail. I'm applying only one coat of this polish at the right side of my nail. Then over beach polish, I'm drawing dark green leaves with help of a striping brush. That's how I find it easy to draw leaves with striping brush rather than a regular nail art brush or detail brush. Then over green leaves, I'm adding thin lines of gold glitter polish for no reason, to be honest. I like it that way and it is a abstract nail art, so I do it anyhow I want. Now over left side of my nail, I'm drawing sunflower with acrylic paints. First I'm drawing 5 petals with yellow color, then I'm detailing them with yellow ochre color and maybe with brown color. I can't remember, to be honest. I'm doing random dotticure at the center of my nail using brown and dark brown acrylic paint. Then I'm adding 5 dots with brown acrylic paint near to cuticle line. On my pinky I have applied a champagne gold polish and on my rest of my nails I am applying a brown polish. Finally I'm finishing off my manicure with a nice and thick glossy top coat to make my manicure long lasting and to give it a beautiful shine. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of video you would like to see next. Share my video with your friends and subscribe to my channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.